Shane Smith here. It is 8:30 on Sunday evening, and it's time for a weather forecast because we have snow chances that could lead to our first snow day of the season 2019 here in Eastern Kentucky. So let's get right to it. The European model shows that we are nice and dry right now as high pressure is exiting the region and a major Arctic cold front is heading our way, and that's going to bring us rain starting tomorrow afternoon. Monday afternoon, the rain rolls in, and sometime after midnight is when I expect we'll see that change over to snow for most of eastern Kentucky, and it should snow off and on through most of Tuesday, with the heaviest falling early Tuesday morning. How much snow could we see? Well, as always, the models have several different opinions on that. North American Mesoscale model, that's the NAM, it's showing about an inch here in Laurel County, an inch and a half up towards Jackson, inch and a half over towards Paintsville, with higher amounts down along the Virginia border. Notice those blues showing up down in the portions of Letcher and Harlan counties. That may be indicating 2 to 4 inches in the higher elevations. The GFS model showing more widespread snow for the entire state, anywhere from an inch to 2 inches for most of us. The Canadian model, kind of a blend between the two, about an inch to an inch and a half up in central Kentucky, more the closer you get to the Virginia border down in the higher elevations. The high resolution Canadian model, it's saying it's party pooper for this one. Just a little bit of snow in the higher elevations, everyone else picking up on lower amounts, and then old reliable, the European model, about an inch and a half for London, about an inch up towards Lexington, 2 inches, Cincinnati, Covington area, and 3 to 4 inches in the highest elevations of eastern Kentucky. Now, what does it all mean? I think most of eastern Kentucky picks up anywhere from a coating to half inch, with about an inch or two east of, say, Clay County, Jackson County, over towards Lee and Owsley counties, and points to the east, south of the Mountain Parkway. So that would include places like Breathitt County and Jackson, over towards Paintsville, Salyersville, probably in that inch range, down towards the Virginia border, Letcher County, Harlan County, Whitesburg, Harlan, Cumberland, Benham, Tri-Cities area. You're probably looking at about 2 inches, with a little bit more in the higher elevations up on Pine Mountain, Black Mountain. So for most of us, a light snowfall, nothing to really write home about, except it being in the middle of November. In fact, still early November, going to be on the 12th. So just edging into middle November. But the bigger story really going to be the temperatures. Check this out. We're going to be in the 40s starting out tomorrow morning. And I'm showing the apparent temperature. So that is what it'll feel like out there. 60s in the afternoon for highs on Monday, and then watch the bottom just fall out. Wind chills going into the 20s and then staying in the 20s and teens most of the day on Tuesday, and some locations may even go single digits Wednesday morning. So some bitterly cold wind chills heading our way for early in the year. So here's the bottom line. The first snow of eastern Kentucky's winter is likely hitting our way, even though we're still technically in fall for a couple more weeks. Most of eastern Kentucky sees at least some accumulation. Laurel County, I know a lot of friends around here want to know about our snow chances. I'm calling for a half inch to an inch. Looks like a safe bet for now. It all depends on how quickly we change it over. The sooner we change it over, say it happens Monday night instead of early Tuesday morning, we'll see more snow. And this is mainly going to be on the grassy surfaces and some of the bridges and overpasses. The ground's still very, very warm, and will likely be a little too warm for accumulation on most of the roads. And once again, slick spots likely Tuesday morning through Wednesday evening. Here's the chance of the snow day forecast. I'm calling for a 30 to 50% chance for most of eastern Kentucky, including the Lake Cumberland region, stretching up towards Morgan County and Lawrence County in the blue there. A 50 to 70% chance when you get into the southern portions of Whitley and Knox County, Clay County, Leslie County, Perry County, Knott, Magoffin County, and then Pike County, Letcher County, Harlan and Bell counties right there along the Virginia border. I'm calling for a 70 to 90% chance of a snow day for you all for Tuesday, November the 12th. So once again, thank you all for watching this video. If you liked it, click that like button, click subscribe. If we get enough likes, we may keep doing these through the rest of the winter. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.